World Wide Web. It's Uncle Mike here at Studio 1B. Here, take a look at what we did a little bit ago. Cornfield's flooded. Still raining. Oh Lord, I will start building your ARK as soon as possible. This rain. Rain. Where are we going?
Shake and shake.
Sing it.
No.
Sing that song you were just singing.
No.
Why not?
That. Don't let you.
I'm going to Steak and Shake. I'm going to Steak and Shake. Is that how it goes?
No.
I was going to Steak and Shake, gonna get a Royal. For those that don't know, it's an egg on top of a burger.
No.
It's so good and tasty. I can show you a picture right now.
No.
It's so pretty. And then there's Katie. Why are we going to Steak and Shake?
Because my marching band is doing a fundraiser.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And is it like epic?
It is epic because my marching band is epic.
Yeah.
Full of epic people who do epic things at epic times.
In an epic way?
In an epic way.
That's epic.
Stop.
What's cheating?
It's whenever you don't do it right.
Alright guys, you ready to order?
Yep.
What are we having tonight?
We are having, I want the Royale.
The Royal and fries?
Yeah. And you want the mac and cheese?
Mac and cheese and fries? And I want the Frisco milk. The Frisco and fries? And what would you all three like to have to drink?
I want a Diet Coke.
Water with lemon. Emily with Sprite.
No, she wants the kid's strawberry shake.
You want that to kids cup?
Yeah. And like
Bring water while you wait for that.
Anything else? That came out of nowhere. Put the lemon down. Well, that was
Are you having a pink packet?
Can you get Katie a pink packet? No, don't hit her. A pink packet, one of those pink packets over there. Please.
You notice? It's basically just really sweet water.
Yeah?
Like, it's not really lemonade.
Well, like we said, poor man's lemonade.
Stop putting it. This has to be unhealthy.
No.
Well, I mean, it's fake sugar.
Oh. Wait, now I feel the floor.
What? I had a lemon seed stuck out. I don't remember what it was called. That over there. Coloring skills are incredible.
Epic fail.
Yeah, big fail.
Put your tongue in your mouth. It's not very long. It doesn't take that much effort to put back in your mouth.
Don't eat me in the egg. I was a good Easter egg. No, I'm not. You got everything you want?
It's better with chocolate though. But I won't eat chocolate shakes, only eat them if I have fries. I will not eat your eggs and ham, I will not eat them ham I am.
not buy without ketchup.
You're watching me eat.
I'm not watching you eat.
The world is watching me eat. The World Wide Web.
Hope you enjoyed our dinner. Yes, it was quite yummy. And I hope you have a wonderful evening. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you guys real soon.